I'm Lee, and this week I think I want to try to make a knife. Now, I'm going to start with this. This is a piece of coil spring, and it's 3/4 of an inch thick, and it's 1.5 inches long. And I'm going to try to start with this and see if I can't get somewhere. First, I'm going to need some distance. So, started off with, I think that was 1.5 inch piece, and now I am up to almost 5. Now, I'm going to do a hidden tang in this. So I need to isolate off some material, but first I'm going to go ahead and put the point in. I'll probably pick on this side just because it's already laid down a little bit. And I'm pretty close to about 1/8 inch on the backbone. It's pretty consistent. I got it as close as I could. I don't have a flatter, so just got to hit it flat with a hammer the best I can. But I'm going to go ahead and get the tip forged in, get the tang worked out, and then work on a guard. Probably good from there. I can grind the rest. Just want to help my grinder so I'm not working it so hard. Normalize this a couple times. Now it's just time to do some grinding. I'm ready to go into the heat treat. I have the bevels ground in. Everything's looking good so far. It's a little thin out on the edge, but I'll just try to maintain a little bit of consistency in my heat treat. Now, if I start getting a little hot out here on the tip, I'll drag it across my anvil. And it's going to cool everything down, and then I'll pull it away, and then it'll heat back up. Try to get a more consistent heat treat. I won't show that just because I don't have enough cameras to do that. I only got the one. So It's time to heat treat. Just wrapping this project up, putting a little bit of boiled linseed on the handle. Now this is cherry. I know I didn't say that yet, but this is cherry that I had around my house. Dried it out all winter. I decided to use that for the handle. I think overall it turned out really good. I'm happy with it. I did not take the time to polish the blade. Kind of running out of time this week. But I really like how it turned out. The brass guard did not work out the way I planned it. I did not want to use just a chunk of brass. It worked out doing that, but I would have rather been able to smelt it. Maybe next time I'll have something set up to where I can do that. But as of now, I'm just going to have to use pieces of brass. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next week.